Welcome to the DLP feature of EMP-Monitor. Let's see how EMP-Monitor's DLP detection and blocking protects your business data. EMP-Monitor's comprehensive DLP suite includes a variety of powerful security tools. Under the DLP umbrella, you get access to USB detection and blocking, Bluetooth blocking, clipboard detection and blocking, and email monitoring. Now, let's explore how to navigate and use each feature. From the dashboard side panel, select the DLP option. For tracking external storage, select USB detection. Here, you can easily view all the USB usage reports of your employees. Start by selecting your desired date range from the calendar at the top right. There are multiple preset options available, and you can even set a custom range to fit your specific needs. Next, you can narrow down your search using the filters. If you have offices in multiple locations, simply select a specific location. You can also filter by a specific department and even drill down to a specific employee. Once your filters are set, you will get a detailed report of any employees using USB devices. As you can see on the screen, the table provides comprehensive details, including the employee name, system number, event date, event time, and a description of the activity. Need to save or share these records? You have the convenient option to download the report in either CSV or PDF format using the buttons right above the table. Now, let's move on to another crucial aspect of our DLP suite: email monitoring. Tracking email activity is just as seamless as USB detection. From the left side panel, under the DLP menu, simply click on Email Activity Logs. The layout is very similar. You can start by selecting your desired date range or a specific date from the calendar at the top right. To narrow down your records, you can filter by location, department, or employee. You also have a convenient search bar on the right if you need to look up a specific employee quickly. Additionally, as you can see, there is a Type drop-down filter. This allows you to specifically filter the logs by sent mails and received mails. Once your filters are set, the data table below will provide a comprehensive breakdown of the email activities. You will be able to see the employee's name, the sender or receiver's email address, any CC or BCC recipients, the subject line, a preview of the email body, any included attachments, and the date of the email activity. If you need more context on a specific communication, simply click the eye icon located in the View column on the far left to read the full email. Now, let's look at the final components of our comprehensive DLP suite: clipboard and Bluetooth detection. Tracking copied data and wireless transfers is vital for complete data security. To access these reports, navigate back to the DLP menu on the left side panel, and this time select System Logs. The steps to view these logs are just as straightforward as the others. You have full control to filter the data exactly how you need it. You can select your desired date range and then filter by location, department, and specific employee using the drop-down menus at the top. Once your filters are applied, the report table provides a clear, organized overview of all clipboard and Bluetooth activities. The table details the employee name, system number, event date and time, and description of the activity. As you can see in the logs, the description clearly shows exactly what text, links, or even image data was copied to the clipboard, alongside any Bluetooth activities. And, just like the other sections, you have the convenient option to easily download these reports in CSV or PDF formats for your offline records or presentations. Now that you know how to view these valuable reports, let's look at how to easily set up and manage these features. You can enable or disable these tracking tools for individual employees or apply them across entire departments. Let's start with configuring an individual employee. From your main dashboard, you can simply click on the Total Enrollments tile to open your complete employee list. Alternatively, you can reach this same list by selecting Employee in the left sidebar and clicking on Employee Details. Once you locate the specific employee you want to manage, click on their Settings option. A new list of configurations will open up. Scroll down until you find the Tracking Features section. Here, you have complete granular control. You can easily toggle the switch to enable or disable USB blocking. Just below that, under the DLP section, you will find the options to turn on or off clipboard detection, clipboard blocking, Bluetooth, and email monitoring. But what if you want to manage these policies for your complete organization or a specific department? EMP-Monitor makes bulk management effortless. To do this, head back to the left sidebar, click on Settings, and select Monitoring Control.
From this screen, you have a couple of options. If you want to change the rules for your entire organization at once, simply click the action gear icon next to default settings. Any DLP features you enable or disable here will apply globally. If you need different security rules for different teams, you can click the Create Group button to set up a dedicated profile for a specific department or office location. Once created, just open that group's settings to apply custom USB, clipboard, Bluetooth, and email rules just for them. And that's how easily you can use EMP-Monitor's DLP. If you liked this video, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials.